So I am from Forbes Marshall R&D department. So this product which we have developed in, like we have released in 2018 though, but we have used this solid edge extensively in this product. And this product is a multi-parameter analyzer which used in water applications where water quality monitoring is happening. So I'll just show you a brief like what we do in a Forbes Marshall and what Forbes Marshall is in the market. So these are quote from the owner, Mr. Darius Forbes. So he always believes that we should not give only a product to the industry or the market, just a mere product. It should also help us to increase the production and also in the quality and lower the cost of the manufacturing. So these different tools help us to like address these issues. So so this is like a beginning of Forbes Marshall and what we are now in the market. So we are our presence is in multiple countries, like we are present in 18 countries. Then we are 1800 plus worldwide as members, and you see we have offices and manufacturing at 6 locations and 8,000 almost customer worldwide. So these are different sectors where we offer our products. We are in like a basic product, if you see the control instrumentation and steam accessories. So this water applications, the product which we'll be using, which I am going to present right now. So this is again like we have 2 R&D centers other than the information which I have shared. So one is in Pune and the other is in Codal, UK. That is mostly in emission monitoring. So these are some like points which we address while doing the manufacturing and designing and all the products which we made. So the product which I am going to talk is the Aqua4 Trans product. So this is for multi-parameter analyzer, so which water quality basically. So used in process industry, then water purification areas. So this product has very good demand in the market. So the few features of the product, this is a single or multiple or dual. So it has a multiple cards which you can insert and you can like know the parameters. So this is fully programmable product and has a RS485 output which you can connect to the cloud. So you can see the data from anywhere which is installed. So this is just a small introduction.
A leader in process efficiency and energy conservation for process industry, Forbes Marshall has over 7 decades of experience building steam engineering and control instrumentation solutions. In our journey of evolution, we bring you the Forbes Marshall Aqua4 Trans 4-wire transmitter series, a versatile platform for various analytical parameters providing state-of-the-art online water and process monitoring. The product is manufactured at a world-class manufacturing facility at Pune, India, which is equipped with world-class machinery and effective production systems. While manufacturing the transmitter series offers single as well as dual channel measurement for pH, redox, conductivity, total dissolved solids, dissolved oxygen, free residual chlorine, turbidity, total suspended solids, and temperature with flexible combinations, and is suitable for field as well as panel mounting requirements. Freely programmable 4 current outputs and can be assigned to PV parameter or SV temperature as per the field requirement. The series is feature-packed, covering all needs of every industrial process and water chemistry, and makes this a new age solution. We have efficient monitoring systems where we effectively carry out testing processes at sensor and transmitter. Special features include wash-hold DI mode, linear, bilinear, logarithmic mode, It also includes 6 5-amp relays, user-programmable IP66 polycarbonate housing, Modbus, mathematical functions like ratio comparator, percent reject, percent accept, addition, subtraction. We comply to industry standards such as EMC, vibration, ingress protection, and safety. A transmitter with unique features based on state-of-the-art modular platform delivering overall value to customer. Aqua Fortrons, a dual-channel multi-parameter transmitter by Forbes Marshall.
So while developing this product, we have used extensive features of solid edge, specifically in sheet metal and plastic molding. So while doing this product, this is one of the product in which we have used solid edge. So these are the challenges which before that we used to face, like for example, handling large assemblies. So our product starts from like a traps to the boiler, like a big assemblies. So there we face lots of challenges. So these are the challenges. For example, managing revision of the documentation. So lots of time when we transfer the data to the manufacturing, so revision issues used to be catered. So that was the challenges we faced. Then the rejection rate, when we give the data, and if in the assembly if something went wrong, so we used to get lots of rejections at the development stage and later on in the manufacturing. Then improvement of design efficiency, like getting the data from like other designer to the engineering department. So that was really a bit challenging, and especially when you are doing some development, and if you want that product should go in the market to get some kind of like a the customer should know like what we are developing. So that for that we have to build a product, then do the photo session and get the images for the marketing document. So with that was a bit challenging. It's a small though, but it is good for marketing. So with the solid edge solution, one by one, like how we have addressed these challenges. So for the large assembly, solid edge versions now with these multiple new versions they have introduced, so we can handle large assembly easily without any lacking or something. So system requirement is also they have optimized very well. So and the BITM, built-in data management, this is really helpful. So every company cannot immediately go for like a PDM tool or PLM tool. So this built-in facility help us a lot. Then solid edge simulation capability, like for example, everyone cannot access like FEM tool every time. So if you want to do small simulation, so you can do it within the solid edge and get some idea, and that will optimize your design. So solid edge collaboration tool, integrated tool help us a lot, okay, to get the inputs from various team members. And the Keyshot, which is very useful. Previously we used to use Keyshot standalone package. Now it is integrated with solid edge, which will be anybody can do rendering and get the realistic feel of the product. So that was really helpful. So what solution solid edge offered us? They are like efficient handling of the assemblies, which contains like a many more parts. Especially our boiler has more than 1,000 parts, and we have 3-4 teams working on each sector. Like for example, burner, then main assembly of the boiler, then the electric panel design. So that help us to handle different assembly on the large scale. So revision management help us to avoid the errors, which we'll later on come to know when the product come to in our hand from the product from the vendors. So this is we have experienced more, especially in this Aqua Fortrons, because as I said, electrical, electronics and mechanical. It's a mechatronics products, so which help us to get the input from all the people and then build a product as a single product. So this is offering, and what we are going to now have from Solid Edge like PCB collaborator. So what you used to do, we used to download 3D model from the electronics component manufacturer, then build in the mechanical assembly at particular location, and that was like a to and fro activities. Now with this collaboration, we are going to have, like we are going to design a tool, design a PCB in the PCB software, and we are going to like transfer that to mechanical, and he can check the interference assemblies and how it is getting fit in this mechanical. So it will be a very good ECAD and MCAD collaboration, which are going to helpful for us. So the mediator between Siemens and Forbes Marshall is like a 3D engineering, who always help us whenever the queries comes, user finds some issues while using the tool, or if you need some support in terms of like some issue with the software because of the some malfunctions. So they have their own system which like we log the call, and they support us like very quickly. Like that was very helpful for us. So thank you. I have actually bought that product which we already built in the Solid Edge. So you can have a feel that what I have presented was the 3D model, and the realistic product looks like exactly the same. It's a mix of like a 3D modeling capability and the rendering part of it. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask.